Hi, I'm Jeanne Jensen. I'm Chief Operations Officer for the Champlain Valley School District. And I'm here at CVU today to talk to you about the operations departments of our school district and how they are supported by the budget. So at CVSD we have 6 cafeterias and kitchens, one for each school building. We have 37 employees and they serve about 50,000 meals each month. The program is actually supported in a separate fund from the regular budget, and that is supported by USDA subsidies as well as our customers, staff and students and families who support this program. So CVSD has 4,000 students and about 1,000 staff, and every single one of them, just about, has their own Chromebook. We also have networks, servers, security systems, telephone systems, and all of that hardware is kept operating by a mighty staff of about 10 district-wide. These folks really keep the business end of the system running. In addition, the department's budget covers our internet service, our phone providers, our enterprise software systems, and it all has to operate every single day of school flawlessly. So the operations and maintenance department is made up of 42 folks who take care of 740,000 square feet of buildings. And that doesn't mention the fields, the parking lots, and the sidewalks that all also need to be maintained. The energy department, the energy cost of the schools is probably our biggest expense after our awesome staff. Despite our best interests, our electric bill alone is over $500,000. We're working very hard and using everything we can to reduce usage. We have maxed out our ability to use solar energy, and we're working hard to reduce our fossil fuels. CVU is heated most of the winter with a wood chip furnace, and the renovation that's going on in Charlotte, we are very focused on getting that building off of oil. So I'm standing in front of one of our 60 school buses that we have in the Champlain Valley School District. We're a little unique among Vermont school districts in that we own our own buses. A bus will last about 15 years. So that means that every year we end up having to replace a few buses that will no longer pass inspection. So you'll see that as a bond article. In the budget, we pay for our drivers, of course, fuel costs, and maintenance, as we also do the maintenance for our own buses as well. So those are the components that make up operations, along with finance and HR. That's the support parts of the organization. If you'd like more information, you can go to our website. Thank you for your time.